In this video, we are going to factor 2x3 minus x2 minus 7x plus 6. 2x3 is x3 plus x3, and minus 7x is minus x minus 6x. This can be written as x3 minus x2 plus x3 minus x minus 6x minus 6, which is x2 times x minus 1 plus x times x2 minus 1, which is x times x minus 1 times x plus 1 minus 6 times x minus 1. X minus 1 is a common factor. X minus 1 times x2 plus x2 plus x minus 6. X minus 1 times 2x2 plus x minus 6. 2x2 plus x minus 6 can be broken down to x plus 2 times 2x minus 3. To see this a little bit better, we say 2x2 plus x minus 6 is a quadratic trinomial. We're looking for two numbers. Sum of the numbers is 1. The product is minus 12. The numbers are positive 4 and minus 3. We group this. First group is 2x2 plus 4x, and the second group is minus 3x minus 6. Factor 2x between the first two terms, 2x times x plus 2. The other one is minus 3 times x plus 2. X plus 2 is a common factor, and it can be written as x plus 2 times 2x minus 3 as we did. The other way to factor 2x3 plus x2 minus x2 minus 7x plus 6 is using factor theorem. If we call this polynomial p of x, p of 1 is 0. Therefore, x minus 1 is a linear factor of p of x. P of x can be broken down as x minus 1 times a quadratic polynomial. We can find a quadratic polynomial by dividing p of x by x minus 1 and find the quadratic. In this part, I'm using another method to find the quadratic polynomial. We know x times 2x2 is 2x3. Therefore, the first term of the trinomial is 2x2. And minus 1 times minus 6 is positive 6. We are looking for the coefficient of x. Let's call it m. If we expand x minus 1 times 2x2 plus mx minus 6, the coefficient of x2 is minus 2, which is multiplication of minus 1 and 2x2, plus m. The term contains x2 is minus 2 plus m times x2. The coefficient of x2 is minus 2 plus m. Since the coefficient of x2 in the other form of the polynomial is minus 1, therefore minus 2 plus m should be negative 1. That means m is 1. Therefore, p of x is x minus 1 times 2x2 plus x minus 6 2x2 plus x minus 6 is x plus 2 times 2x minus 3. Therefore, p of x is x minus 1 times x plus 2 times 2x minus 3. Thanks for watching.